Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts! Are you looking to share a channel link with your friends or followers? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of copying a channel link on YouTube. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Look for the familiar red play button icon and tap to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on Subscription at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of channels you're subscribed to. Step 3. Find and tap on the desired channel you want to copy the link for. This will open the channel's main page. Step 4. On the channel's main page, locate and tap on View Channel to access more options. Step 5. Look for the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 6. From the drop-down menu, select Share. This will open various sharing options. Step 7. Finally, tap on Copy Link to copy the channel's link to your device's clipboard. That's it. You've successfully copied the channel link on YouTube. Now you can share it with anyone you want. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy sharing on YouTube.